Welcome back to another video. Today we have an awesome deal on this cutoff saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, so we to runs their platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so big shout out to my man Toolboss. He posted this first. Make sure you guys go to his channel and subscribe. He posted this deal. So alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. So this is a really nice saw, guys. If you got a job indoors, like when I had a remodel here at my house, we actually needed something that was electric, because if you use a regular gas saw indoors, you're pretty much gonna suck or breathe all that carbon monoxide in. So this is a great saw for indoors, smaller cuts. I believe we did about 25 linear foot, a little bit more. Yeah, I would say about 25 linear foot with this, and this thing was a beast. You're gonna go through those batteries quick, just to let you know. So it's good to have extra batteries, guys. This is an awesome deal. This does come with two 12 amp hour batteries. So you guys know those 12 amp hour batteries are $219 a piece, so over $440 just on those batteries. But check out the price, guys. $699, guys. $699. You're gonna get the saw for less than 300 bucks. So figure it, or not less than 300 bucks, but you're gonna get your saw for a little bit more than 300 bucks. It's an awesome deal. If you guys want to see the video, I'll see if I can link the link down below in the description section to that video and to this tool. If you guys want to get this, you guys can use this for cutting metal. As you guys see, it does come with the metal blade, or the concrete or the masonry blade there too. So you can use it either or. I used it to cut a slab, so I can run some drain pipe. That's what I used it for. So I'll leave the link down below to that video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way to run the platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.